Drip too hard, don't stand too close. You gon' fuck around and drown. Off this way, doing all these shows.
Hey y'all, welcome back to my channel. My name is Dionne Charmae. If you guys are new here, and if you are new here, welcome. So today's video is going to be back to my Get Into It series part 2. So the first part of this series was me trying wing liner. Y'all, it was failed then, it's still a fail now. I still can't do wing liner, but I'm going to get it eventually. But I haven't done a Get Into It series video since I did the first episode of it, which was back in January. But I'm going to try and start doing more of these videos because it's more things in makeup that I really want to get into and I really want to try that I just haven't done. And I'll attempt it, but I'll never film the video. And I know it's people who are beginners in makeup like I am, who go to YouTube to watch somebody do what I'm trying to do. And they always say it's like a beginner friendly video, and it's never really beginner friendly. So my series, my Get Into It series, was me trying the things that I wanted to learn how to do. And either I'm going to succeed or I'm going to fail. But either way, I'm going to learn something from it. So that's why I started the series, and essentially why I started my YouTube channel. But today's Get Into It video is going to be lashes. I have attempted to put on lashes multiple times. Y'all, it's crazy how many times I have tried to put on lashes and have failed miserably. I succeeded on putting lashes on once. And when I say succeed, I got them partially on. They weren't even full blown on. And I'm going to show y'all. This was the picture that I had lashes on. And y'all, they were about to fall off. They looked crazy. But, you know, I was really proud of myself. So I posted this picture on Instagram. But we have learned, we have lived. Like, I have not put on lashes since that day. I've tried. No, actually, I'm lying. I put on lashes for my It's Spooky Season video where I did I don't even know what it's called. I think it's like a jack-o'-lantern type of look. I'll have it linked in the card so that you guys can go check it out. But I put lashes on for that video as well. And when I tell you it was still a fail, it was still a fail. Like, it was hanging off the side. Like, y'all, if I didn't edit the thumbnail and all that like I did, y'all would have thought them lashes was on and secure, okay? They weren't. They were not. So, I'm going to stop rambling and we're going to go ahead and get into this episode 2 of the Get Into It series. So, all of my makeup is done. My base makeup is done and my eyebrows are done. Even though they look a little retarded, I need to do a Get Into It video on eyebrows because I still don't have like a set eyebrow thing and I still struggle with eyebrows. Like, it literally takes me like an hour to do my eyebrows and they still come out looking crazy. So, that's a separate video. But I'm going to go ahead and do my eyes really quick. I'm not going to do anything dramatic. I'm going to do simple one color look, and we're going to go ahead and get into lashes. So now that my eyes are done, I'm going to go ahead and do the rest of my face because I haven't done the rest of my face as far as highlight, bronzer, lips. So I'm going to go ahead and do that, and then we're going to go ahead and get into the lashes. Alright, so now that my face is done, I'm going to go ahead and put on mascara, and then we're going to go ahead and get into these lashes, hopefully. So I'm going to be using my Hourglass mascara. Alright, so I have my mascara on. Now it's time to attempt to do these lashes. So I have 2 sets of lashes. I have these Eyelure Luxe lashes, which look like these. And then I also have the Salon Perfect Wispies, which look like this. So I think I'm going to go with these only because I don't know if you guys can see, but the band, there's actually like the band is bigger rather than on these. The band is like clear. And I feel like these are going to be a little bit easier for me to put on. These look a little bit more dramatic, but I think I'm going to go with these. So I'm going to go ahead and open them. Now I need to find my tweezers, which y'all don't know where they are because my life is in shambles. Okay, so I got my tweezers also. Oh, I like how they tell you which one goes on which eye. So I'm going to take I'm going to do the right eye first, just because my right side is my dominant side. The fact that I've watched so many videos on how to do lashes and I still don't know how to put them on It's crazy, but you know, it is what it is. So I do have two different types of glue. I have the duo glue in white and in black. I don't really know. I don't know where the black one is right now, so I'm going to use the white one, which I heard isn't the best, but it's what I have, so that's what I'm going to use. So I'm just going to go ahead and put that on the band. I'm assuming I'm doing this right because that's how everybody else does it. How much glue is too much glue? Is that a thing? Is too much glue a thing? So the glue is on the eyelash, and now I'm just going to let it sit for a second. I'm going to get a better grip on these. And I'm also going to pull up a video on how to do lashes because everybody's like, oh, watch a video, watch a video. Y'all, I've watched plenty videos and it does not work. So I'm going to pull up another video while I do this. Okay, so I have my video pulled up and we're going to see how she tells me to put these lashes on because everybody else been lying to me. So she said that I need to be looking down. So I'm going to put my mirror down and then I need to be chin down. What is she saying? Hold on.
So up and back, your chin, eyes down. So you're going to hold the lash right in the middle and then you're going to swoop and back. So, we're going to apply the lash. Here's my mirror. My trick to applying lashes, super quick and easy, is to look down in the mirror, tilt my chin up and back. Okay? So up and back, your chin, eyes down. So you're going to hold the lash.
Okay, first of all, okay, so I got my video pulled up. I just watched a clip of it. She said, eyes down, chin up and back. How? Okay, we're gonna figure it out. So my eyes are down, I'm looking at my mirror, my chin is up and it's back, and she said slowly put this lash on. Okay, this isn't working. It's not working. Okay, I think my glue is dry, so I'm gonna put a little bit more glue on here. I don't know if you're supposed to do that, but I was watching the video and my glue dried. So we're gonna put some more glue and we're gonna successfully put this eyelash on. I hope. Okay, I think this is dry enough. So, I'm looking down at the mirror. My chin is up and it's back. I can't see the... What? What is happening? This is so hard. Okay. Chin up and back. Eye is down. And she said, place it on... It's not working. How do y'all do this? So... It's all on my eye. So I'm just, y'all gonna have to just bear with me while I do this because I don't know what I'm doing. So eye down, chin up. Foot, no girl, this is not working because it's on my eye.
Right in the middle. And then you're going to slowly drop the lashes.
Okay, so she said, the girl that I'm watching, her name is Ashley Divana. I don't want to say your name wrong, but that's her name. So she said, eye down, chin up, and place it. Okay, girl. I don't know about this. All right, let's try it again. I'm probably still doing it wrong. Like, it's literally just sticking to my eyelashes. Like, my eyelashes are so long that, like, it's not working. All right, I'm going to do it this way. See, they're like... I quit. Maybe I need to use the other lashes. I don't know. This don't look like something I'm going to get into because this is not working out. Okay. Okay, nope. I'm going to walk around like this. And I'm happy with it. Okay. We're going to try a different lash. So, I'm going to try to go with these. And we're going to see if that works. Okay, so I'm going to put it in my tweezer. I'm going to get my glue. And I'm going to try this one more time. And you know the crazy thing about it is, like, when I do stuff like this and I can't get it, I don't really get frustrated necessarily. I just laugh at myself because so many girls can do this and I'm like one of the girls that can't. But and the crazy part is, it's something that seems so easy. Like, this is something that seems extremely easy and I just can't get it down. Like wing liner. Like, I just can't get wing liner together. I don't know what it is about wing liner, but I can't do it. Okay. Got my lash. My head is down. My chin is back. This is not working. Okay. So then she said, pull the sides. Okay, girl. I think my eyelashes are really just too long. Like, I genuinely think my eyelashes are too long for eyelashes, for fake eyelashes. So I'm going to close my eye, because this is the way that I normally get them on, is I just close my eye. And I just use my left eye, my other eye, to figure it out. And then I just end up doing it like this. Okay, this is how I generally get my eyelashes on. When I get them on, I literally just close my eye and then do it, because that's the only way that I can get them somewhat on. It's not like I think these eyelashes are too short. I don't know. So I got that eyelash on somewhat. Somewhat. This is what I mean when I say I get my eyelashes on. This is what I mean. Like, this is my struggle putting on eyelashes. So that lash is on as good as it's going to get. It's not going to get any better than this. So I'm going to put on the right eyelash. I'm going to attempt to, because I already have glue on my right eyelash. And we're going to figure it out. So I'm going to take the right eyelash off. Ooh. Okay, I see why I don't really wear lashes. I don't know if it's because it's on completely wrong, but my eye feel heavy. Like, my eye feels so heavy. How do y'all do this? Okay, so I'm going to put glue on this one. I'll put too much glue. There is a thing. It's too much glue, guys. Okay. Forget her technique. Girl, thank you for your video. Thank you, because it has helped a lot of other people. I was reading the comments, and her video has helped so many other people. But baby girl, it did not help me. I'm just being real. And I've watched so many videos. Okay. So I'm going to do my technique to get this eyelash on. I'm going to close this eye. And I'm going to just place it wherever it lands. And then I'm going to fix it. And for those of you who think I'm joking, I am so serious right now. Like, this is how I put on lashes when I do wear them. Like, when they're necessary for me to wear, this is how they get on. Like, I have glue on my eyelid right now. This is so bad. So bad. Like, this is... See, now this side is sticking up, so... You're not supposed to do this. I'm almost positive you're not supposed to do this, but I'm going to do it. I'm just going to put some glue. And I'm going to make it work. The one thing I do know how to do, I know how to finesse. And I am finessing these eyelashes, okay? Okay. This eyelash is on. So now I'm going to put on some more mascara. Even though it's already clumped up because I put on like 3 layers. Okay. We're not going to put on any more mascara because it's not moving. It's just not moving. So, y'all, my lashes are on. Even though they don't look good, I'm going to show y'all. I'm going to zoom in. I'm going to let y'all get all of my business so y'all can see how terrible these eyelashes really look. So we're zoomed in. You are in my business. Y'all are in. I got makeup in my hair, but y'all are in my business right now. Now I'm going to close my eyes so you guys can see the catastrophe that is my lashes. Oh, I got eyeliner. I got everything. My face just messed up. Okay, look. Do y'all see this? Eyelashes look crazy. Back about my face. All right, so that's, you know, that's what I go through when I try and put on lashes. I literally watch videos all the time trying to figure out how to put on lashes. These lashes though are uncomfortable. It might be because I have on a lot of glue. My eyelashes actually have glue on them. My eyelid has glue on it. You know, that may be it. But these are uncomfortable. So yeah, I hope you guys enjoyed watching me struggle trying to get into eyelashes and trying to put on fake lashes, and whew, it was a struggle, okay? It was a struggle, but I do like the way that it looks with fake lashes. Like, I like the way that some looks look with fake lashes. But anyway, yeah. So, I hope you guys enjoyed this video. If you guys want to see more get into it videos, please just let me know. If there's something that you guys want me to try, please leave a comment and let me know. I will definitely try it. I will attempt to try it. Okay? I will attempt to try it. Because I will try anything makeup related at least once. Okay? So, again, I hope you guys enjoyed this video for, I don't know how many times I've said that. But if you're not subscribed, make sure you subscribe. Give this video a thumbs up if you enjoyed it. And I will see you guys in my next video.